YouTube, Harkership07 here. Now in this video, well, as you can see from the thumbnail, I'm going to be showing you the emoji guessing who you are. Well, it's basically from TikTok. I'm not sure of the exact name of this trend as yet, if it is even a trend. However, I'm going to show you how to edit this in CapCut without using Alight Motion. Now, if you wanted to make modifications to the video, you could simply use Alight Motion. Let me reload that for a second. So what you'd want to do is to actually create a new project, and you'd want to select the image which you would use as the image that would represent whoever it's pointing to. So for example, I'm going to be using GigaChad as my image of representation. So what you'd want to do with this image is to actually stretch this image to 8 seconds. And you'd want to allow the duration of this image. You could set whatever image you'd want. So set it to 8 seconds, and then you need to add the overlay. I'm going to provide the templates for you in the video description. So there are two of them. One template would include basically, let me resize all of this. Now one template would include the heart eyes emoji, and the other would include a distressed emoji basically. So let me increase GigaChad. Okay, good. So once we have the template loaded as the overlay, what you want to do is to actually allow it to play. And also this template has the sound attached to it. Now at 6 seconds, you need to make the mark at 6 seconds right here. And you need to split this timeline here. And you need to also split this timeline here. So you need to split the overlay, and you need to split the basic or the main timeline. Now let me increase TikTok, so that does not really matter. Okay, I believe there is good. So what you need to do next is on this layer or on the overlay, you need to click on the overlay, scroll all the way to chroma key, and you need to highlight the color and increase the intensity to about 100, or anywhere that suits you. 100 would remove all the green completely. So click back on the GigaChad layer. You need to reduce the size and fit it in frame. Now with CapCut, they are basically, well, you need to fit it where the center frame is at. So let me fit it here. Now if you want to map the keyframe, you could basically do so. You could take the time to map the keyframe to whichever point it is in the video. So let me see. Now, as you can see, this is the finished product. Okay, good. It is not perfect, however, it is good enough without using Alight Motion. You would simply need to have the image that you'd want. You'd add that as the main track. You'd add the template as the overlay, and simply use chroma key to remove the green and align the image to the template. So that is basically how you would do it in CapCut. And I will include I will include both templates in this video's description. You would simply export and share. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this was helpful in getting you to do the emoji snapping a pic trend on TikTok. I'm not even sure what this name is. Maybe I'll be the first person to start this up on YouTube, and then some other individuals would hop onto it. So thank you guys for watching. Harkership07 out.